Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete daily tasks on Dress to Impress easily. So I think the best task there is so far is just collecting cash, because you can just chill in free play and just sit around getting cash. Another tip is to play with friends, because they can vote for you to place in the podium. That is mostly the case with these tasks. I hope they make the tasks easier or with more rewards, but here are the daily tasks. As you can see, I need to pick up 68 cash here, and so far I only got 2 for some reasons. It says I need to also use Lana's nail station for 3 rounds. That one's easy. And then I need to place podium 1 time with a duo. That is, I think, the hardest task is to place with a duo, because if I place by myself, I can easily do that because my friends can help me vote. But if my friends were to be on the podium with me, I will need people to vote for me too, I guess, in a sense. That's how you can complete daily tasks on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.